So yeah, it's a fully built, it's a 2.8 liter, a long block. It's got the 2.8 heads on it. Tial 770 turbos. It's got the Snow Performance water meth kit, Molly pistons, IE rods. It's got obviously 034 as far as intake. It's got the Brembo 355s. The fronts, custom CCW rims. The back, they built a custom lip on the back, so has a nice stance to it. Full 034 exhaust. Only had a trunk system put in for snow. It was originally running through the windshield washer tank, but wanted to have a little more because it was going through it too quick.
Yeah, so, Luso Motorsports did that, right?
Luso Motorsports, Tony over there, Adam, those guys, yeah, did a great job. Very nice job, very happy with them. I'm gonna say it's got about 138,000 miles on the car. It was fully rebuilt about 128,000 miles, so it's about 10,000 miles on the build. It was done by Wolf Motorsports in Danny Beach, Florida. It was originally going to be their shop car, and for whatever reason he decided to sell it. So from there, my brother-in-law and I did some work on it as far as the Zitronics, display, just little things, more cosmetics than anything is what he and I did, as far as the aero wipers and the mirrors and stuff like that, just to kind of give it a little bit better look. Yeah, it's got the Canadian fogless grills, shaved front end, which came out pretty nice. So all in all, it's pretty unique. I love the car. So.
Yeah, it's very, very nice, dude. You did a very good job. It's idling smooth, sounds great. This is a great exhaust note on this thing. You know, with the 034 exhaust. We're doing the partial fueling now. Idle fueling is good. So let's do a little bit of a driving around and see how they adapt. You always want to put 5 to 10 miles on it, just to make sure that the fuel trims adapt accordingly. Yeah, so he's got an E3 gauge over there in the pod.
There's battery,
pretty awesome.
Boost,
Going through all the different menus.
ethanol, and it pops up the date. So that's
Okay,
why that's
so
what I really
E8,
bought it for.
got it, yeah.
Yeah. Wow, a couple raindrops here in Arizona.
Yeah, I heard it might sprinkle a little bit, which is a bummer, but at least it's keeping it cool.
The plants will like it.
Yes, plants will definitely like it.
The desert appreciates it.
So running a little rich at cruise, not too bad, but you definitely pull some fuel from that. So far it seems good. Now, so once it kind of straightens up, if you want to just we'll keep an eye on things. Flash into revision. I didn't film it because it's kind of boring to watch it flash, so we're going out to do another log. The last one was good. It ended up peaking 30 psi, so that's a little high. I pulled it back now, and it should be like 28. So I mean, 770s can handle 30 psi, but on 91, it's just, you know, try to keep it safe. So that's what we're doing now, and let me start the log. Third gear and just went up and throttle. Let's go to like 6,500. All good?
No, really good.
Boost tapered off a little bit up top, so we'll have to see how that looks in the log. But
you want to do third gear again?
yeah. Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Yep.
sorry.
Yeah.
ESP.
That one. Yeah. So that came on?
Yes. Yep.
That's awesome. So that means you're making more torque than the ECU thought was necessary, and so it intervened. So
Okay.
All right, we can try it again.
All right.
I want to, yeah, just get that. Here, let me start another log. All right, we're good.
Okay.
Yep. That's good. Yeah, when it flattens out, we might catch up to this guy kind of quick.
Yeah.
So.
Just
See.
like third into fourth, or how do you?
Yeah, just third all the way to like 7. That shift into fourth gear is like. Yep.
I'm in fourth.
Alright. It's alright. It still felt good.
Yeah, it did. It's good to see another gear.
Yeah. Yeah, that was fourth gear.
Yep. Are you ready?
Yeah. Nice.
Pretty good.
Yep. Nice.
That was probably the smoothest feeling one. Yeah.
Yeah, that felt good. So yeah, we're running at 72, so we can up that too because you have dual hands, don't you?
Yep.
Yeah.
But I like keeping it where it is. If that's
Cool. Yeah, totally.
all right.
Yep.
Here we go.
Yep, you're good. Get a little no-lift shift action there too. I don't know if you heard it. It was popping between your shifts. So
Yeah, it does. It'll spit a flame in between
Yeah.
the shifts. Yeah.
we finished up at 91 and moving on to E54 right now. Flash the base file. It's raining a little bit, which is weird. It shouldn't be raining right now, and it is. But that's all good. So we'll take it out and see how it does. How's it going so far?
It's a lot of fun. Definitely know what you're doing, man. Car feels great, pulls smooth, still fast, which is a good thing.
It's always a plus.
Yeah, it is a plus. But no, all in all, very happy with it. So I'm excited to see what this can do.
Good, yeah, me too, man. This is gonna be quick. We're almost done here. And
All right.
we'll see how it does. Yeah, 11.4. That's fast, dude.
Yep, feels good.
Dude, this thing pulls so hard up top.
That was awesome.
Alright guys, we made some really good progress here. We're flashing a version 1 of E54. He's actually on E46, so I'm going to leave it a little rich. That way when he puts it in 54, it'll kind of offset it, but it's been doing really good. Those pulls were pretty...
You can definitely tell a difference on the E. Definitely, it's awesome. Yeah, I'm looking forward to driving it.
Yeah, it is a big difference, so we'll see how this next revision goes and go from there. Alright, whenever you're ready. definitely the
It
best.
was a little bit more downhill though.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yep.
All right, you're good. PSI, taper down to like 26. So
Perfect. I like that.
it's good for E54 for sure. .524 horse and 500, or sorry, torque and 530 horsepower.
All right.
So 520 torque and 530 horse. It's pretty good, man.
So at least say I have a 500 horsepower car.
Yep, definitely.
Excellent.
All right, dude.
All right.
That was good.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate it, man.
Nah, we'll see how it does on the road, and
Awesome.
just let me know.
I've never been looking forward to a drive home more.
I know, right? All right, man.
Thank you.
See ya.
All right, buddy.
This car's awesome.